Welcome to Lemon Water in the Morning with Nandi. And this morning, wow, I'm trying to adjust my camera. Okay, so this morning is Wednesday. It's Wednesday and it's about 4:30 a.m. here in Jamaica, so I'm just breaking my dry fast. For the past few weeks, I've been dry fasting on a Monday and a Tuesday. So this morning, I'm breaking my dry fast, and I'm going to be doing that with my lemon. Oh, by the way, I promised, this lemon is spoiled. This one is spoiled, I have to get another one. But I promised to show you my plaque. So this plaque, I got this last week Friday. It's from the Buju Banton Foundation, and it says, "Many thanks Kamau for facilitating Buju Banton Foundation Importance of Mathematics Workshop." And November 12, 2021. So what happened, I was invited by the Buju Banton Foundation to facilitate a mathematics workshop at the Denhamtown High School in Kingston. Many of these students are from the inner city. The school itself is located in the heart of the inner city, Denhamtown, Tivoli Gardens, the middle of downtown Kingston. And many of these students they live in the area, and they don't have many opportunities, especially when it comes to education. A lot of them just can't get to focus on their education because of the violence that's around. And so, it's really good to be able to go in and try to reach them. And they were very receptive. The group that I had for the workshop, they were very receptive. They were CSEC level students, so grade 10, grade 11. And many of them expressed how interested they were in, learning more about mathematics, and especially from the position that I come with mathematics with, and that is my passion. And I want the students to be able to embrace it and not fear it. That's the most important thing, not fear it. Alright, so I'm very proud of my plaque. So I'm going to get another lemon. This one is spoiled. Alright, so this is the first thing I'm going to be having in 3 days, because I start my dry fasting on a Sunday night and end it on a Wednesday morning. So this is the first thing hitting my stomach in 3 days. And we always talk about the benefits of lemon water, lime water on an empty stomach, how it stimulates the digestion, stimulates the peristalsis and the movement of the whatever is in that alimentary canal out. So the dry fasting, in itself will help to, clean things out and dislodge whatever is there to be dislodged. That's the power of the dry fast. And then if you hit it with your lime water, your lemon water, following that, it just flushes everything out and it clears your digestive tract and keep you on course. So I tend to get, of course, you can imagine, I tend to get thirsty The longest I've gone on a dry fast is 3 days. So I tend not to go beyond that. I don't want to push because it's a dangerous fast if you don't know what you're doing, and if you don't have experience with it. It's the most powerful fast, but it's also a dangerous fast. So if it's water fasting, then I'll go 14 days, 21 days on just the water. But for the dry fast, I like to keep it at 2 days. Very tangy and very astringent, as I've always said. The lemon water or lime water, they're basically the same, just that limes are more available in Jamaica. But I got some lemons. I've been noticing the lemon is becoming more and more available. I got some lemons the other day, and I'm still using from that batch. So they are very astringent, very powerful. They clear away the mucus. They help the mucus to drain from your sinuses. You will feel the mucus on the dry fast. You will feel the mucus coming down, oozing down from your sinuses. And this also, the lemon water, will help to clear the mucus. You actually feel it draining at the back of your throat, coming down. You can either, you'll find yourself clearing your throat a little and bringing that up, or it will just go down the alimentary canal and it pass out in your feces and you don't even realize unless you take a look. Now, I'm somebody who, from ever since, I love to study my body. I analyze my urine sometimes to see if I'm filtering and how much filtering is taking place. I'll analyze my stool from time to time. The Egyptians, the ancient Egyptians, our ancestors said, "Man, know thyself. Know thyself." So you have to study yourself. You have to study your habits and see if they need to change. You have to study, your eating and how it affects your body. Check your weight, check your height, check your urine, check your temperature from time to time. See how it fluctuates during the course of the day, during the course of the week, during the monthly cycles. All of those things you have to study yourself. You are the closest thing you've got. And you have to know your body. So I'm always, from ever since, from I started this journey as a teenager, I've been having my charts, making my recordings whenever I'm doing my fasts. Sorry, I'm making my recording. I can feel the mucus clearing away. Remember, mucus production is a natural thing in the body, but we'll have extra mucus being produced depending on the environment, depending on what you eat. Certain foods trigger extra mucus. We don't want extra mucus in the body, because what mucus does, when it's too much, it clogs the system, and then after a while it hardens, and this is how we get some of the conditions like tumors and leading to the big C word. This is how they all begin, right, with the accumulation of mucus in the diet. So periodically you want to cleanse that away. And for me, it's once per week, 2 days dry fasting, and every morning having my lemon water and lime water. Definitely a boost to the immune system, and definitely with its astringent power and the nutrient power, the antioxidant power that it has. right? Very good for the immunity. Okay, so that's my lemon water. I'm experimenting this morning. I've been streaming live from Restream, and this morning I'm experimenting with Facebook Live, sorry, YouTube Live. So I'm going to compare the quality of the video and see what happens. So right now I'm not sure even how to end this. So if you see me pressing a number of things and nothing is happening, it's because I don't know how to end it. But thank you for joining me, and see you again tomorrow. And remember, you can always let me know what else you want to talk about, and we'll take it from there. Alright, so thank you for joining me. I'm going to be pressing a number of buttons now. Okay, so that's not the one. That's not the one. Okay. I think this is the one. How do I end the live? Okay, I found it.